Did you know that many of the vitamins you see on the store shelves are made from coal tar, petroleum byproducts, or even industrial chemicals? I know, it's crazy. So today I am going to be exposing the hidden dangers of synthetic vitamins and what you can do to protect your health and your family's health as well. This is such an important topic, and not a lot of people realize that even the most expensive vitamins that you could be purchasing actually are synthetically made from the petrochemical industry most times. Now, just because the label says vitamin C, for instance, doesn't mean that it's coming from oranges. Most synthetic vitamins are mass produced in laboratories, and your body doesn't necessarily recognize it the same way that it does nutrients, of course, that come from whole food sources. Your body knows how to utilize those types of nutrients and recognizes food sources for your vitamins. So there's a big difference here. Okay, I want you to stick around because by the end of this video, I'm going to share my checklist for choosing truly clean, effective supplements and the ones that actually work. You'll be shocked to know how easy it is to spot the fakes after watching today's video. Now, here's where it gets serious. I mean, the long-term use of synthetic vitamins has been linked to, and the data shows, impaired liver detox, nutrient imbalances, just from taking a synthetic multivitamin or vitamin, poor gut microbiome health issues, and even false blood test results from taking synthetic vitamins that you thought were so-called natural. Now, some studies have even shown that certain synthetic vitamins may increase the risk of oxidative stress and even cell damage, and we know what disease that may potentially lead to. Now, if you are someone who's ever felt like your multivitamin isn't really doing something for you, or it could even be making you feel worse, you may not be imagining it. It could be because it is fake. So what can you do instead? Well, one of the things you can do is look for whole food-based supplements. And usually it says right on the label that it's whole food, usually from real food concentrates, and it could be dehydrated plants or fruits in this case, and there's nothing artificial and no chemicals. And here's a handy 4-list checklist that you can check what you're looking for a whole food vitamin. So number 1, it will say whole food on the label. Number 2, you want to be avoiding ingredients that end in ATE or IDE, IDES. These are usually an indication that is synthetically based. And number 3 on the checklist is to avoid artificial colors, binders, fillers, and flow agents, especially magnesium stearate, which of course I have other videos about. And number 4, choose doctor-formulated brands. So you know that the person behind the brand is someone that you're entrusting in terms of that formulation, and of course it being whole food. Now, when your vitamins come from food, your body says, yes, I know what this is, and that's when you're going to get the results that you're looking for. So you're taking a vitamin maybe to give you better energy, better sleep, improved skin, balanced hormones. You want to feel those benefits, don't you? I know you do, and often you don't when you're taking synthetic vitamins. And feeling better is what it's all about. And if you wait, I have some tips coming up, what I personally recommend, and it's a total game changer for your health and your energy levels. So what is the solution? Well, the real magic happens when we start getting our nutrients the way nature intended. And I'm not just talking about supplements, I'm talking about eating real food, getting fresh air, natural sunlight exposure, which you've heard me talk about, and natural mobility movement. You've got to move your body to feel better and to get all of these benefits, even from the nutrients that you're ingesting. So let's think about it. I mean, no synthetic vitamin can really replace the nutrient density of things like leafy greens, wild blueberries, nuts and seeds, and even fermented foods. These don't just contain vitamins, they come with enzymes, cofactors in their whole food state, and antioxidants that your body actually knows how to utilize to their best ability. And one of the most overlooked sources of vital nutrients, of course, is the sun. So just 10 to 20 minutes of morning sun on your skin can kickstart your proper circadian rhythms for the day, help to balance your hormones, and even support your immune system, which of course is so important for your overall health. Now, I always tell my followers, get outside, eat seasonally, and simplify your life. You don't need dozens of pills if you focus on the basics: clean food, clean water, and a strong circadian rhythm. Now, I want to help you. Here are 5 tips, though, to help you get the nutrients and vitamins you need every day. Okay, tip number 1, eat a variety of colorful organic foods whenever you can. I know organic is difficult. You can't always do it. It's very expensive. If you grow your own foods, that would be even better, but try to eat organic and eat a variety of more colorful fruits and vegetables. Okay, tip number 2 is to spend adequate amounts of time in the sun every single day. And ideally, of course, without sunglasses, without your sunscreen. You got to build up that solar shield so that you are building up your melanin in your skin, your natural protection, your natural sunscreen that comes from getting that early morning sunlight in your eyes and on your skin. Okay, tip number 3, you want to get enough sleep, good quality sleep. So getting to sleep by 10 or 11 p.m. ideally, this is going to help with your natural circadian rhythms, but also to help to support your natural detox mechanisms as you're sleeping. Okay, tip number 4, try to cook at home. Try not to eat out as much and cook good quality, preferably organic, clean ingredients whenever you can. Always cooking from scratch. You know exactly what you're putting into your food and into your baking. That's going to go a long way to decrease your toxic load over time as well. And tip number 5 is to breathe deeply and laugh often. So yes, humility, laughter, having fun, enjoying life, that's what it's all about. And this isn't just about avoiding those synthetics. It's about returning to how we are designed to live. And your body will thank you when you tune back and revert back to connecting again with nature. Now, if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure that you share it with someone that you love. Most people have no idea what they're really taking when they're taking supplements and their vitamins, and this could really change their health forever. Now, I do have another video I want you to check out, and it's all about that magnesium stearate, that flow agent that I was talking about earlier. It's called Avoid Magnesium Stearate in Your Vitamins. Please check this out. Important information. I'll see you there.